Here's how the Zoom app in Cademy can be used to simplify how you create and update meetings for your online courses and events in Cademy. To get started, you go into the apps section in the Cademy admin dashboard and you click on the Zoom app, and through here you'll be able to go in and add in a brand new Zoom account. So you can add multiple Zoom accounts, which is great for larger providers, larger organizations where you'll want to choose a different Zoom account on a per course or per event basis. Now, to get started, you would click on Add Account, choose Zoom. We do plan on adding more providers like Teams and Google Meet in that list. But what will happen when you click on Zoom, it'll take you to your Zoom account and you will log in and allow Cademy to have access to your Zoom account. And it'll take you back. And in my case, in this video, it didn't prompt me to give permission because I've already added Zoom as my account, so it's just redirected me back. But once you come back, you'll be able to give this account a name, so you can easily find it in the list of all the Zoom accounts when you add events. And once that's done, it's pretty much good to go. If I go and create a new course, I'll say create new course on set dates, example Zoom course. If I scroll a bit lower, under delivery, if I click on that, I will see that I have the option to enter a manual URL that I can just paste from Teams or Google Meet or any other provider in here, or I can use the Zoom app to automatically create meetings. So from here, you can choose the Zoom account that you want to use. And that's pretty much it. From now on, when I go in and create dates on my course, they'll automatically be creating meetings behind the scenes. So if I was to create an event for today at 3 o'clock, save. This will go in and create that meeting in Zoom. It will save the URL for the meeting in here. When people book, that Zoom meeting will be automatically shared with them. And if I go in my Zoom account, let's reload. Example Zoom course, you can see that it's created a Zoom meeting here. So when I open my Zoom app, I'd be able to start the meeting very easily through here. If you were to make any changes to any of these meetings in Cademy, any of these events in Cademy, so any updates you make would be automatically synced up into Zoom, and that will be updated in the Zoom as well. So it's easy for everybody to remember what the date and time the course or event starts. You can always open each individual date and switch to manual mode and change the link to anything you want. But by default, when you create a date, you can just choose the Zoom account and confirm, and that will use the automatic process through the app to create or update meetings as and when needed. Okay? We hope you'll enjoy this app, and if you have any features or feedback, please always don't hesitate to message us through the live chat. Thank you so much.